Hello, everyone. I'm Cinay, and welcome to this week's Technotalk. Here we discuss STEM-related topics with special guests to inform people and give them our perspective on modern concepts. Without further ado, let's greet our special guest of the week. Hello, Dr. Gozde.
Hello, Cinay. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Thanks for your invitation.
You're welcome. Likewise, we're so happy to be here and for you to be here as well. So first off, tell us a bit about yourself.
Yes, my name is Gozde. I'm a metallurgical and materials engineer. I earned my PhD degree from industrial and systems engineering, mostly focused on defense technologies and additive manufacturing, especially metal 3D printing, metal additive manufacturing side. I got the chance to work with. I worked with nitinol alloys, and then in the materials characterizations side mostly I worked there.
Cool. A really hot topic branch. So
yes, it's very hot topic. Yeah, we will talk about that.
Okay, so let's discuss today's topic, the future trends in additive manufacturing. Since the rapid technological rise of additive manufacturing technology within the past few years, technologies have been rapidly maturing in multiple applications globally. The recent advancements in machinery, materials, and software have made this technology accessible to a broader range of areas. Furthermore, additive manufacturing hardware and materials are advancing rapidly and improving processes from prototyping to production and opening a more comprehensive range of applications. So, to start with, what are the advantages of using additive manufacturing compared to other manufacturing technologies?
First of all, additive manufacturing has a broad range of applications, and the most important thing is you can design and create any parts with additive manufacturing. Comparing with conventional manufacturing or powder metallurgical systems, additive manufacturing is very fast. First, and also you have design flexibility. You can build the materials with any kind of geometries. And then the other thing is time. For example, with casting, if you want to get the part, you can get the part in 80 hours. Compared to additive manufacturing, you can get your parts at the same time with multiple parts, 12 hours or less than 12 hours, depends on the machine capability. So, and also for additive manufacturing, mostly considering I'm talking about metal additive manufacturing, powder bed fusion. With metal powder bed fusion, you have reduction of the waste material, because we can use the powders again and again in the process. It means it gives lots of opportunities compared to conventional manufacturing and other methods.
Yeah,
those are the main reasons.
Yeah, I clearly see the significant difference between them, and I see that additive manufacturing is efficient in different aspects of like doing multiple things at the same time. So that's a really good
energy efficiency. Yeah,
definitely. Yeah. So what are the main application areas of additive manufacturing?
For additive manufacturing, you can see everywhere, because in the additive manufacturing headline, 3D printing also is a part of additive manufacturing. So we have polymeric materials and then metallic materials, ceramic materials. You can build any kind of materials. So it depends on the material type, the application areas also change. For example, in the metal additive manufacturing, aerospace applications, aircraft applications is very popular. And also the other part is in US, NASA is doing some applications for aerospace satellite applications. The other part is automotive applications. It's very popular. Tesla is using additive manufacturing, BMW. There are lots of companies. The other part is biomedical applications for implant materials, especially for custom-based implant, because you can design any kind of injury parts. You can build and design. The other thing is, let's say, surgical equipment. For example, for nitinol alloys, nickel titanium alloys, you can build something different for the different surgeries. The other application for additive manufacturing is, let's say, robotic applications. Robotic is another part. and also even so many, yeah, even cycling parts you can see, you can build with additive manufacturing, or custom-based parts you can build. So many applications.
There are so many adaptations of this technology. And I also think that as years pass by, this technology is going to continuously improve and spread to many more areas, and including the space industry, a big major impact. And that would be amazing. Yeah,
because it's limited with persons or users' creativity. So yeah, it's a lot. It's going to be a lot.
Definitely. Okay. So can you talk about your startup company on additive manufacturing technologies?
Yes, I'm running the startup company since 2017. Actually, my startup company's main point was to catch the industry for 4.0's requirements. So we have two segments actually. One segment is to be a reseller and distributor for companies from Europe and Turkey. We have 3D printers, we are selling 3D printers, and then the other part is R&D part. In the R&D part, we are working right now on 4D printing. 4D printing is the next generation of 3D printing because you add another dimension. So your part is getting moving capability. So this is the special alloys, and then some polymeric alloys have this feature. We are working on that subject right now, and also we have some upcoming projects. We did applications. We are waiting for the results. Hopefully, we will be in the field very soon.
Definitely, I hope so. Very interesting, by the way. And I also am keeping up to date with these things. And I see that in Silicon Valley, lots of other startups are evolving in additive manufacturing, which kind of proves that it's a very on-trend topic. So definitely a place to look at for students.
Definitely.
So another question.
Because there's very open area, and then the companies are growing very fast.
Definitely.
They are getting funding, and then improving step by step.
It's a major trend topic, and once it's a hot topic, it just goes to every direction. So definitely a huge impact. Okay. So for another question for students like us, what skills do you think students should gain in order to pursue a career in this field?
This is an excellent question. Thanks for asking, because I'm trying to encourage students for additive manufacturing. So you graduate from electrical engineer or mechanical engineer, it doesn't matter. You can combine with additive manufacturing. So yeah, first of all, since we are building the parts layer by layer according to 3D design, you have to know the 3D, how to design your 3D parts. So you have to get some design capability. So maybe students can learn some SolidWorks or other 3D designs programs. And also the other hot topic is modeling. For modeling, you can the students can learn Python or Java skills, because you can combine it with your computer background. There is lots of research on that subject also. The other thing is materials background. Materials is in the middle of additive manufacturing. So as much as if you know the material very well, you can improve the material, or you can play with that during the process. So materials, and also after the process, you have to get some investigations. If you have, for the metal part I'm talking about, if you know how to do investigation with light microscopy or scanning electron microscopy, it's going to be excellent.
Yeah. So nice observations. I totally believe that these skills, like learning Java and SolidWorks, are really good advices for students, and to kind of adapt to this whole setting beforehand. So it's a really good preparation for students as well.
Yes,
yeah,
exactly.
Thank you so much, by the way. So it was a very informative discussion. Thank you again so much to Dr. Gozde for joining us this week.
You're welcome. You're welcome tonight. Thanks again.
Thank you so much. And dear viewers, don't forget to keep up with our posts and additional events on our page, Technotalks and YouTube channel. And if you haven't watched last week's video, please go check it out. See you next week with another interesting tech topic. Bye. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.